We have our own private pool. Hello guys, long time no talk. I haven't talked to you guys really since we were in Paris. Now, after a almost 12-hour travel day, we have made it to our next destination, which is Santorini, Greece. So I want to give you guys a room tour because I know we're gonna get, I want to show you guys before it gets messed up. It's a little dark, but I was like, I know it's gonna get messed up. First off, an espresso machine. The way I've been dying for coffee in the morning so far this trip, it's like a legitimate, like for real machine. I am so excited about that. So we have the espresso machine, and then we have this like cute little living area. Super cute, like full on living room space, little table. We got an upgraded room. So they gave us a bottle of wine and then a bowl of fruit, which is his real fruit.
I thought it was plastic.
Cody's here to demonstrate. Is it cake?
No, it's fruit.
And then this is like a little daybed area, which is nice. I mean, we're probably not gonna use it much, but this is kind of nice. Little extra space. We have this like closet room. I just shoved everything in here for the moment so we could do this tour. But little wardrobe, little closet room. The bedroom. How cute are these doors?
And the AC works.
We do love that. So cute. This is the room. It's very just like clean and white and bright. There's not a TV in here. There's my living room. Yeah, we could probably move it in here if we needed to. This is cute. Like, I don't know if this was meant to be like a little like sitting and getting ready area, but like the little mirror on the stool. We have a little bathroom in here, but we actually have, I didn't even realize when I booked this room, we have 2 bathrooms. So then we have this one. This is more of like the main bathroom. Has the shower. The shower, so nice. With the love, I'm like so excited for this shower head. But we have this. We also got robes and like slippers, which is fun. But the best part, the real treat of this whole thing.
The real treat.
Okay, so you come out right into the little porch area where you walk in. Got a little table where you can sit. This will be so cute for like coffee in the morning. We've got our own little like tanning chairs. We got another little table. Cody's here to just show you everything. And then this is like one of the hotel pools. So you kind of can see. I know it's dark right now. I cannot wait to see what the view looks like in the morning. I'm so excited when it's lit. So obviously I'll show you guys. But the best part is this. We have our own private pool. How fun. This is what we've been thinking about for months. Just knowing that we had this. And it's nice because like this staircase just leads up to our room. So like no one else is passing it. I can't tell if this is like a room above, but
No, that's not a room above.
yeah, but we just have our own private pool, which we are literally about to go into after we finish doing these tours because that's all we've been thinking about this whole trip is this pool.
It's
We're so excited.
24 hours.
Yes. We want to lay in the pool, but we also want to unpack, so we'll have to see. I do want to actually unpack and like get settled because we have not been settled yet this whole trip. We're here. Today's Sunday, we're here till Friday. We leave like Friday afternoon. So yeah, but okay, just want to show you guys. So we'll go test out the little jacuzzi pool, see what we think. You wanna do the honors? Yeah. It's like decently deep. Okay, camera, do not fall in the water, please. Please, don't ruin my trip, guys. You can't come in as much as you want to. I was expecting this little dip. It smells so bad. Oh wait, the camera's tilted. Now this is a vacation. I can't find my actual brush right now, so we're just, I feel like I used it this morning. I feel like I shoved it in a bag. So we're just gonna do what we get with this little comb. Should we grab the extra pillows?
Probably.
Because because there's 2, which could be enough, but if we want the extra. Oh, honestly, it was so good. And yeah. Good morning. How's it feel outside?
Pretty good, actually.
Like sit in pajama good or like?
Yeah.
Oh, looks good. Okay, it does feel nice. So cute. We'll grab this. Okay, we probably should order some like fruit or something. That's the only thing. Oh, this view is gorgeous. Please. That is crazy. We are very excited for this breakfast, quote unquote, in bed. I have to glue on 2 more nails, and like my nails are fully missing on the stand. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Farm moment. Farm. Oh yes, thank you. Yeah, it looks good.
Yes, one moment, please.
Oh,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Okay.
We're at brunch. We met up with Shay and Sola.
And Coney.
Well, you've been here.
What?
Wow, I will never get sick of waking up to this view. Okay, we're all going to breakfast at this place called Confetti Dessert Boutique. It's like the main place I was excited to go to when I was picking out restaurants and stuff. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
So, like, be safe. It's literally a 5-second walk. But like I said, it has really good reviews. Their little pancakes look good. I'm hoping the coffees are good. We're all makeup free and chilling.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys. What's up? What is this going on over here?
I got a smoothie.
How's a smoothie?
So good. It's banana.
smoothie.
I love your hat. Go for it.
Wow, this is crazy. Hold on.
Should I just be like,
That's insane.
I love when there's something I can just like prop my camera up on. This one's so zoomed in though. My other one has like a wider lens. I'm like, why are we so close?
My new jacket. Here I am, new jacket. Has little pockets. Yeah, it's a little chilly. Wait,
Wait, I want to us all looking for the edge, like.
Hi, vlog!
Hey, vloggy.
Does the vlog want to see a clip of me diving?
Yes,
I know, literally.
That'd be great content. Girl jumps off cliff. Not clickbait. Not clickbait.
Live to regret it.
Live to regret it.
Oh, there's a wedding happening right there.
I know.
What?
Really?
Where? That's by the windmill.
Okay, I didn't even say hello today, but hello. We are venturing out, doing a little exploring. I can't remember what this portion of the town is called, but I know me trying to like do 10 things at once. It's kind of ugly because it's a rainy day. Oh, cute.
Oh,
okay.
wow.
Yeah, sandals probably were a really rogue choice for this, but it's okay. Me and Svat are like, okay, full toes out, but we'll make it through.
I'm trying my damnedest not to get my white shoes fucked up.
My sign? Oh! What? Oh, cute. Oh, wait. Oh, yes! I do.
Wait, what?
Whose is this?
The door is both on both sides. Close it a bit, that side. Put your head out from the door and look at the hole. So right here, bring the leg closer now. So rotate more to me. With confidence, nice. Hold the dress here on top. This side. Look out.
Last day in Greece.
It's done, all done. Time flies, I know that's for sure. Yeah. You're gone, you're gone. I'm not your prisoner in your cold war anymore. Oh no.
Walking to our last dinner in Santorini. All of a sudden having to do all these damn steps.
From my past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye.
For our last morning in Greece, we're packing up to head out. We have some time to kill before we have to go to the airport, and by some time I mean like 4 hours. So packing up. I think we're just gonna like sit at a coffee shop, might get a little work done, just chill. We don't really know what we want to do, so we're just gonna figure out how we can kill some time.